If you're new to retinol and you don't know where to start, then this video is for you. Now, chances are that you have an interest in skincare. You're on this channel either as a subscriber, hi, how are you? Or you've searched for retinol and it's landed you right here. Now, I have been using retinol products for like 4 years. 4 years I've used various different products in different ways, and I have worked out the best way to use these retinol products and also the worst way. Seriously, I've done some bad things and I've had some really quite bad sunburn from it. So I've got 5 top tips. I'm also going to tell you what retinol does, how it does it, and maybe how you can introduce it into your skincare routine. Now, if you're new to this and you've still not pressed subscribe, then hi, I'm Robin. This is Man From Self. If you like men's hair product reviews, grooming, skincare, fragrance, and videos like this very one, then please do press subscribe right now. Also, leave a comment. Where are you from? What kind of skincare routines do you have? And do you know what skin type you have? Now, firstly, what is retinol? Now, retinol is a type of retinoid, which is a derivative of vitamin A, which is one of the key nutrients that our body needs in order to boost cell turnover. Now, retinoids have become huge in the skincare industry. So many different products using it in different ways, but there is a right and wrong way to use them. Now, what does a retinol do? Now, because they are boosting that cell turnover, they can help to minimize the look of wrinkles, and they can also help to prevent new ones. Retinols also help to brighten your skin. They'll exfoliate it, revealing new, more sort of polished looking skin. They can also help to fade dark spots and hyperpigmentation, and they can also help to treat acne by cleaning right down into the pores, which also helps to stop spots and acne from forming, and they can also help to exfoliate that skin to help remove the look of acne scarring. Now, when should you start using retinol? Now, I would have been like early 30s when I started using it. A lot of people say about the 30s you can use them, but really anything from mid-20s. When you are starting to maybe see some of the signs of aging, you can get them in. And there is really easy ways to introduce a retinol into your skincare routine. Now, in this one, I am working with Geology. Geology is a company I've worked with on a couple of videos and also on a blog article. There's a full blog article actually about this, what retinol is and how to use it. And I do have an exclusive discount code with Geology. MFH50 will get you 50% off a trial pack. And if you have no idea where to start with your skincare, then you can take their skincare diagnostic, which is essentially a 30-second quiz to really work out what you and your skin needs. And if you are going to go on to use retinol, then I have these 5 top tips to always follow. Now, tip 1 is to start on a low level percentage. Now, when you look at your retinol product, you'll probably see a percentage on that. These can start really low to all the way up with really high doses of retinol. That really is the percentage of that active that is in your product. Now, if you are new, then start off on a really low percentage. Geology offers 3 levels. You can start on level 1, which is 0.05%, level 2, which is 0.2%, or level 3, which is 0.3%. Retinols can come in serums, or like this one, they could be in a night cream, which really is the easiest way to do it. You would just put that on onto cleansed skin just before you go to bed. This one's also a really great introduction to retinol because it's also got 3% niacinamide, which has increased elasticity and also can help to reduce redness, and it's got 2% hyaluronic acid, which really does boost the hydration in the skin. Tip 2 is to only use it at night. Now, retinol will make your skin more sensitive to UV rays, and sunlight can actually decrease how effective the product is. So after you've cleansed your skin, washed your face, you would then use that retinol product, especially if it's into a cream like this night cream. Then you can just put it straight on, just 1 dab of it onto your cheeks, onto the forehead, and work it into circular motions. Then just sleep with it on, and then the next day you can continue with your morning routine. Tip 3 is to moderate the frequency. Now, with anything new in life, don't go big straight away. You really want to start off small. See how your skin reacts. Now, when you are using retinol products, it is normal to see a little bit of irritation. It's actually called retinol burn. And this is totally normal, so do not worry. But by moderating the frequency, you can just ensure that you're really easing yourself in. But you can also go with a really gentle retinol, like level 1 from Geology with that 0.05%, which can be used every single night. Then you can scale it as you get more used to it. Tip 4 is to strip out any other irritating products, especially at night when you're using this retinol product, and especially when you're first starting to use it. So really, just use that retinol product and then maybe go into your night cream, or if it's already in your night cream, you can do exactly that. Then the next day, you can use something like a salicylic acid face wash, especially if you've got acne and spots. Really taking a retinol and a salicylic acid wash the next day will be a really great way to really clean out those pores and to keep the skin clear. And tip 5 is to always use an SPF. Now, I learned the hard way when I started using retinol products. I used one at night. The next day I went out. I was having a lovely old day. It wasn't even that sunny. It was London. It was fairly bleak. And I got home and I burnt myself. And I wondered, what have I done? What have I changed? And it's because I used a retinol product and I just hadn't used an SPF. So always be mindful of this. Your skin is more sensitive to UV rays. Use an SPF. And again, if you're not sure where to start with your skincare, you're not sure what kind of SPF, and you maybe just want a full package, then Geology is a really great way of doing this. I really enjoy partnering with these guys because I know that for a lot of us guys, we just don't know where to begin. And they will give you everything just by answering that quiz, taking that skincare diagnostic. They're going to create this trial pack for you. And with code MFH50, you are going to get 50% off that, which is just a really, really great deal. But thank you very much for watching. Really hope you've enjoyed this one. Again, I'm going to give you a link to the blog article on this so you can read a little bit more about retinol, you can see those top tips, and you can check out Geology. But thank you again. If you're still new to this, you've still not pressed subscribe, then hey, come on. Please do press subscribe right now. The button is there. There's also more video suggestions down there. Stay with me and watch them. manforhimself.com is there. But until my next new video, bye-bye.